Mathematics, and today we are looking at this small topic. It's not small, as you can see, it is very hard for some learners. It's L.C.M. What does L.C.M mean? It means lowest common multiple. If you are out there and you're watching this video, if you like it, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel and you like the video. Okay, back to class. It says that find the L.C.M of the following: A 2 and 4. B 3 and 5, C 2, 4, 8, D 2, 3 and 5. You should know that we have different methods. Majorly we have two methods. The first one is what we call the method that was gotten from the name, which is common multiple method. And we'll be using that. That's what I'm using first. But the fact is, most learners don't like it. Why? Because it seems stressful. So what are you going to do? You take 2 and write 4. Write all the multiples of 2. Then what are they? 2, 4, just like the multiplication table. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, and the like. So that's why we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, dot, dot, dot. As you know that the multiples are countless. They have no ending. Then when we go to that of 4, you see them as well. Write dot, dot, dot. That is, it continues. Let's see the ones that are common. We have 2 here, no 2 here, we have 4 here. This is common. We have 6, no. We have 8. It's common. We have this, that's 12. If you look at it, we have 16. So in other words, our CM will be 4, 8, 12, 16.
Who is outside today?
Okay, so and so on. So the common factors, multiple rather, 4, 12, 16. If I may ask you, notice that the common multiples that we are having is going to be a multiple of the first number. Look at this: 4. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. There. So we can now go to the lowest common multiple. Which one is the lowest one? That's how you do it. But let me tell you, most learners don't like this. They love the second method. And that will lead us to method 2, which I call the table method. So let me have 2 table method. That's method 2. So what will you do? You just put them in the table format. Then you start dividing by what we call prime numbers. In case you don't know what we call prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1 and itself. In other words, you have just 2 factors. A factor is a number that will divide another number without giving a remainder. So we go. The first prime number that we have is 2. So we have the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So let's use 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. And you keep dividing until you have 1, 1. So we have 2 again, 1 and 1. So you say L.C.M. This will now leave it in index form. What do we call index? We have 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 2 will give us what? 4. That's the L.C.M. Whichever method you use, you still have the same answer. I want to believe you are learning something. If yes, make sure you share this video to your friend and let them come and follow King of Mathematics. Let's go to B and see how to solve that. So let's solve B. So for the B part, I'll be using the shorter method, which is what? The table method. Another thing I need to show you is that when you have numbers, that the smaller number can go in the bigger number. Your LCM is always the bigger number. If you don't want to do anything, you can see 2 can go in 4. Because 2 can go in 4, your LCM will go what? It will be 4. Method 2, which is B. Let's go to B. Solution B. We have 3 and we have what? 5. We use our LCM, our prime numbers. 2, 3 here, that's what? 1, and we have 5. 5 here, we have 1 and 1. Our LCM equals to 3 times 5, which is what? 15. Now, note that any time that you are given a number and the first number cannot go in the second number, nor the second number can go in the first number, your LCM will just be the multiplication of the two digits together. Look at this one. 3 cannot go in 5. Just multiply the two digits together. 3 times 5, 15, and you have your prime, and you have your L.C.M without stress. Let's see. This is B. Let's see C. Like I said in the former one, without me solving anything, I will check this. 2 can go in 4. 4 can go in 8. Without me solving anything, because 2 can go in 8, 4 can go in 8, my LCM without solving is 8. Like I said, excuse me, that the LCM is a bigger number. Let's see it in the actual sense. 2, 4, 8. We have 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 here, 4. 2 here, 1, 1, 2. 2 here, you have 1, 1, 1. So LCM equals to 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to the power 3, which is what? 8. I want to believe you are learning something. So before I solve the D part, I would like you to attempt the last part. The last part is going to follow this method. Without you solving anything, I can tell you the answer to this question. How? Because 2 cannot go in 5, 3 cannot go in 5, 5 cannot go in 3, 5 cannot go in. So your LCM will just be multiplying the 3 numbers together. So for D, the answer will just be 2 times 3 times 5 for the LCM. And what's 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 times 5 will give us 10. So that's that. If you have any question as regards any problem in mathematics, please write your question under the comment section and make sure you come back, or probably you contact me on my digits, which is 081-505-20865. We have different classes that we give to learners online. I will be happy. As you are looking at this video, follow me on YouTube, and also you can follow me on my TikTok page, Still King of Mathematics. Until the next video, I say bye.